the same time, but I don't like that when you start.
Hard, I don't care, little bitch. Hey, I know talk shit online, but check it in real life. I know struggle again. I don't know dumb. Where the location at, bro?
I'm pulling up right now.
Damn, good, man. How are you?
That's my guy, bro. Bro, he's places, you know what I mean? So, a lot of times when we come to y'all, like, oh, we need to get here, and you communicate.
Are you in that group already?
No, I'm with you.
No, what's that? Yeah. So I think also to make communication a lot easier, if there's anything you guys need, just speak to you. Just make it easier.
We're having a busy day.
They can
From sun up to sun. No.
Still trying to figure out who I am, who I be. Pillow talking to these hoes, that shit weak. They say money talk, put diamonds in my teeth. I be Louis down with Jordans on my feet. Niggas messed up in your yard like trick or treat. Better play your cards.
Go and get you some money or something. Niggas waiting on me, I ain't running. Like a horny bitch, you know I'm coming. Everything that they do, I done done it. All this motion they do. Been doing this since a motherfucking youngin'. All this motion they new to me, nigga. I'm getting the blues, I'm constantly thumping. Money counter gon' count up 100. Cut the check and I cry like an onion. Only focus on women and money.
What's up, man?
What up, gang?
You see a poster? Look to your right.
Bro, you can just jump down. It's not really steep though, but it's okay. Yeah.
Hype for this fucking week. We're gonna have the best fucking time ever. Let's get it, make money, have fun.
Get it,